Venetian plaster, it just follows wherever your wall is. Venetian plaster is not a render. It's not a paint as well. Hey, welcome to Jem's Venetian Plaster. Guys, we are starting this project today and we are going to apply our beautiful polished plaster similar to one of the designs that we have done before. The builder is also the same builder as this previous project, so let's give it a try how it's going to be. So the first thing first, we have to prepare everything. We have to make sure everything is ready. There's no cracks, anything on the wall, and we have to apply our primer. So today I'm gonna apply my base coat and I will record everything. All right, keep watching. Venetian plaster is not a render, and it's not a paint as well. So it really depends on the wall that you have already got and the details on the wall. So at least with the base coat I can cover up small areas that are like slightly ups and downs. If your wall is structurally not appropriate, Venetian plaster, it cannot fix it for you, because as I said, it's not a render, but it's not a paint as well. Venetian plaster cannot really fix your structural issues, like, at least 8 to 10 mils of difference on the wall, like these ups and downs. At least I can say 1 mil, 2 mil, there's like 3 mils at least. So this way I can just fix it up with my base coat. So a lot of people has got like this poor structural, not properly set up with the gyprock or with the plaster. They want to get the Venetian plaster on top of it, so they're thinking like, okay, the Venetian plaster will get it fixed, but you're wrong. You can't really fix with the 3 mil. At least the Venetian plaster you can't apply more than 3 mil. Normally it's 1.5 mil if you don't apply base for it. All my jobs proper base for any product that I'm applying, especially polished plaster, micro cement. But Venetian render is a different story. So Venetian render, you can apply it on top of bricks as well. So this way, I've already got between each bricks, fill it up, fix it up. It's going to have a proper straight wall for you with a Venetian render. So it means like it's 2 steps, you do render after you do your Venetian plaster on top of the render. So this way, it's going to fix any structural issues on your wall if your wall is like too much. But now, as you can see here, I've applied more than 2 coats in here, so I can at least around this fireplace area, around this fire pit area, so I can cover up most of the non-level wall, because they don't set it properly, and because it's very thin, it's just not going to give you a proper finish. Try to fill it up all these small areas, but more than 3 mils I can't do anything, or Venetian plaster can't do anything. So if you're looking to get your Venetian plaster done, if you have hired a plasterer or if you have done your framing and you're sheeting it up, make sure to check your wall level before you call someone to do Venetian plaster or a decorative finish for you. So you have to remember that decorative finish, it's a finished product. It's not a tile that you can fix like 5 to 10 mils with your glue and then you just set up your proper, put your tile in there, so at least you're gonna have a proper, straight wall in there. It's a Venetian plaster. It just follows wherever your wall is. It's not gonna cover up your 5 to 10 mils of defect on your wall. So this is just on the record. If you're doing Venetian plaster, make sure you check your wall, and then after you can call anyone to do Venetian plaster. Otherwise, you can just put a lick of paint on top of your wall, and that's going to be a finish for you. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to watch the other parts of the video.